Welcome back, dear students, to the fifth session of Standard 9, subject Algebra, Chapter 1, Sets.
Students, here we will discuss practice set 1.4. So, question number 1 is, if number of element in set A is equal to 15, number of element in set A union B is equal to 29, and number of element in A intersection B is equal to 7, then number of element in set B is equal to what? So here we have to find out number of element in set B. So let's see solution. Here number of element in set A, that is equal to 15. Number of element in A union B is equal to 29, and number of element in A intersection B is equal to 7. So here this formula we will use. Number of element in A union B is equal to number of element in set A plus number of element in set B minus number of element in A intersection B. So here we will get 29 is equal to 15 plus number of element in set B minus 7. When we do this calculation, we will get 29 minus 15 plus 7 is equal to number of element in set B, that is equal to 21.
Question number 2. In a hostel, there are 125 students, out of which 80 drinks tea, 60 drink coffee, and 20 drink tea and coffee both. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. We have to find number of students who do not drink coffee. Let's see solution. Let U be the set of students in the hostel. So number of element in set U is equal to 125. T be the set of students who drink tea. So number of element in set T is equal to 80. C be the set of students who drink coffee. So number of element in set C is equal to 60. Number of students who drink tea and coffee is equal to number of element in T intersection C is equal to 20. So number of element in T union C is equal to number of element in set T plus number of element in set C minus number of element in T intersection C. This formula we already know. So 80 plus 60 minus 20. So number of element in T union C is equal to 120. So 120 students drink tea or coffee. Also, there are 125 students in the hostel. So we have to find number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. So number of element in set U minus number of element in T union C is equal to 125 minus 120, we will get 5. So 5 students do not drink tea or coffee. Question number 3. In a competitive exam, 50 students passed in English, 60 students passed in mathematics and 40 students passed in both the subjects. None of them failed in both the subjects. Find the number of students who passed at least in one of the subjects. So we have to find the students who passed at least in one of the subjects. Let's see. Solution. Let U be the set of students who appeared for the exam.
E. Be the set of students who passed in English. Therefore, number of element in set E is equal to 50. M. Be the set of students who passed in maths. Therefore, number of element in set M is equal to 60. 40 students passed in both subjects. Therefore, number of element in M intersection E is equal to 40. Since none of the students failed in both subjects, therefore total students is equal to number of element in E union M, that is equal to number of element in set E plus number of element in set M minus number of element in E intersection M. So number of students in set E is equal to 50 plus number of element in set M is equal to 60 minus number of element in E intersection M is equal to 40. So 50 plus 60 minus 40 is equal to 70. So the number of the students who passed at least in one of the subject is 70.
Question number 4. A survey was conducted to know the hobby of 220 students of class 9, out of which 130 students informed about their hobby as rock climbing and 180 students informed about their hobby as sky watching. There are 110 students who follow both the hobbies. Then, how many students do not have any of two hobbies? How many of them follow the hobby of rock climbing? And how many students follow the hobby of sky watching? This is our question. Let's
Students, let's see solution. First, let U be the set of students of class 9. Therefore, number of element in set U is equal to 220. R be the set of students who follow the hobby of rock climbing. Therefore, number of element in set R is equal to 130. And S be the set of students who follow the hobby of sky watching. Therefore, number of element in set S is equal to 180. Here, 110 students follow both the hobbies. Therefore, number of element in R intersection S is equal to 110. Second, number of element in R union S is equal to number of element in set R plus number of element in set S minus number of element in R intersection S. So you can see here 130 plus 180 minus 110. Therefore, number of element in R union S is equal to 200. So, 200 students follow the hobby of rock climbing or sky watching. Here, we know that Total number of students is equal to 220. So, number of students who do not follow the hobby of rock climbing or sky watching is equal to number of element in set U minus number of element in R union S is equal to 220 minus 200, that is equal to 20. Fourth one is number of students who follow the hobby of rock climbing only, that is equal to number of element in set R minus number of element in R intersection S, that is equal to 130 minus 110, we will get 20. So number of students who follow the hobby of rock climbing only, that is 20. Fifth one is number of students who follow the hobby of sky watching only, that is equal to number of element in set S minus number of element in R intersection S equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70. So number of students who follow the hobby of sky watching only, that is 70.
Question number 5. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following set. In question number 5, we have to observe this Venn diagram and we have to write the following set. So here you can see the Venn diagram A. So we have to write the set A. So A is equal to, in curly bracket, X, Y, Z, M, N, curly bracket completed. Second is B is equal to, so B is equal to Q, P, R, M, N. So B is equal to, in curly bracket, P, Q, R, M, N, curly bracket completed. Third one is A union B is equal to, so A union B is equal to X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R in curly brackets. Fourth one is U is equal to, so U is equal to, in curly bracket means this whole set. So U is equal to X, Y, Z, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T in curly brackets. Question number 5. A dash, A dash is equal to, so those elements not present in A, that we will write here. So that is P, Q, R, S, T. So that is our A dash. Question number C, B dash we have to write. So B dash is equal to X, Y, Z, S, T in curly brackets. Question number 7, A union B dash. So we have to write A union B dash. So that is those elements not present in A union B. We will write that in A union B dash. So that is S T in curly brackets.
Students, here we completed with practice set 1.4. Now we will discuss problem set 1. Question number 4. 70 trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pradnya on the occasion of tree plantation week. Out of this, 25 trees were planted by both of them together. How many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya? Let's see solution. First, let P be the trees planted by Parth and Q be the trees planted by Pradnya. So, number of element in set P is equal to 70 and number of element in set Q is equal to 90. Total number of trees planted by Parth and Pradnya is equal to number of element in set P intersection Q is equal to 25. So, number of trees planted by Parth or Pradnya is equal to number of element in P union Q, that is equal to number of element in set P plus number of element in set Q minus number of element in P intersection Q, that is equal to 70 plus 90 minus 25, that is equal to 135. So a total of 135 trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya.
Question number 7. Represent the union of two sets by Venn diagram for each of the following. So first is A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 7 in curly bracket and B is equal to 1, 4, 8 in curly bracket. Let's draw a Venn diagram. See here, you can see A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 7 and B is equal to 1, 4, 8. 4 is common between A and B. So like this you will draw. Second question, P is equal to A, B, C, E, F in curly bracket and Q is equal to L, M, N, E, B in curly bracket. Let's draw Venn diagram. So here in this Venn diagram you can see P is equal to A, B, E, F, C and Q is equal to L, M, N, B, E. Here B, E are common elements. Third question. X is a set of all x such that x is a prime number between 80 and 100. Therefore, x is equal to, in curly brackets, 83, 89, 97, curly bracket completed, and y is a set of all y such that y is an odd number between 90 and 100. We already know that what is odd numbers. So y is equal to, in curly bracket, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, curly bracket completed. So let us draw a Venn diagram. Here in this Venn diagram you can see that x is 83, 97 and 89 and y is equal to 91, 93, 95, 97 and 99. Here 97 is a common element. Question number 8. Write the subset relations between the following set. So x is equal to set of quadrilaterals, y is equal to set of rhombus, s is equal to set of all squares and t is equal to set of parallelograms and v is equal to set of rectangles. We have to write the relationship between the following set. So first is rhombus, square, parallelogram and rectangles all are quadrilaterals. So y is a subset of x and s is a subset of x and t is a subset of x and v is the subset of x. Second, Every square is a rhombus, parallelogram and rectangle. Therefore, S is a subset of Y, S is a subset of T and S is a subset of V. Third one is every rhombus and a rectangle is a parallelogram. Therefore, Y is a subset of T and V is the subset of T. Students, please try to solve all the rest questions from problem set 1. Thank you, dear students.